lessons ka. Actually, alam niyo, ang tagal ko nang nakabalak yan. Pero dahil mostly sa QC yung mga studio, tapos kailangan naka-schedule ahead, hindi naman ako pwede magpa-block off para lang mag-dance class. So, medyo hindi lang, oh my God, ba't ako medyo hindi nagtutugma lang yung schedule. But, this year, I will do my best. I'll make it a point na makapag-classes na ako ulit. Are you a kidnapper because you abducted my heart? Sticky! Normal naman magkamali. Normal naman magkamali. Even the best singers, the best dancers make mistakes. Tao lang sila. Wala silang pinagkaiba sa atin. Sticky! Sticky! LSS na tuloy ako sobra sa song. And if the beat live, you know Little Ju made it. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. How's your week? Sunday nga pala, no? My week was fine. What happened? Let me check my schedule. Naka-vacation mode pa rin ako sa totoo lang. But, yeah, my week's been good naman. It's been chill. So, the New Year, spent it with my loved ones. Then, nung January 2, nagpasalon lang ako and I had dinner. And then, January 3, nag-look test kami in workshop. Then, kahapon, ASAP rehearsal. Then, today, ASAP. Yeah. Hi, Blush! And it's very sticky. Stay healthy. Thank you so much. Yun naman din ang goal natin lahat, to stay healthy. And it's kind of sticky. May sayaw ka din ba? Take care of yourself, you too. You too. What's your plan this 2025? My plan is to enjoy life. Like, take it day by day. Not stress so much. Because I'm such a stressor. I'm such a worrier. Especially when it comes to work. So I just wanna calm down. Enjoy the process. Yes. Yes. I don't want to think too much about the end product. I just want to enjoy the process. That's right. Mag-rest na. Yes, I'm gonna rest na in a bit. Magla-live lang ako sa IG after this. Patingin ng nails. Oh my God. Ano na siya? Bakbak na. It's just a French tip. Bakbak na siya. Dito lang. Why? I want IG. nanonood ka ng When the Phone Rings, naka 1 episode pa lang kami. Hindi pa nga ata namin natapos eh. But yeah, I think naka 1 episode pa lang kami ng mom ko. Hindi pa namin natutuloy. Tuloy nga namin mamaya. Wala ka bang plano mag-podcast? Ganda kasi ng mga thoughts mo. You know, honestly, I don't know how to go about it. How does one have a podcast? I have no idea. I would like to have a podcast. But, how does that work? Like, dapat may kausap, may guest? Like, do you give me a topic or something? And it's getting sticky. Grabe, like, yesterday, nag-rehearse kami sa ASAP. I got home late na kasi nag-rehearse ako ng nag-rehearse mag-isa kahit tapos na yung rehearsal. Tapos kagabi, hanggang sa panaginip ko ata, kumakanta at sumasayo ko ng sticky. Season 2 ng Bagito, hindi pwede. Kasi hindi na kami bata. So, hindi na kami ang gaganap nun. Did you enjoy the performance kanina? You know what? I did. I did enjoy. 90% kaba, but I still enjoyed. I did. I just forgot to smile, but I enjoyed. Hi, Chill! Hi, Chill! But you slayed, thank you! And it's getting sticky! I miss your short hair. You know, sometimes I have this impulsive thought and I'm just like, cut it. Cut it short. And it's a good thing I don't act on impulse. Hi, Chill. Hi, baby. Hello, my chilly boy. Hello. Hi, baby boy. I am live streaming now. You're so cute and ugly at the same time. That's my cat. Ginaya ko ang style ni Jazz sa buhok. Mukabans! Patingin ng cat mo. Naku, ayaw magpabuhat nito. Try. Pero ang pangit niya, like, dungis na muka. Ewan ko ba't ganito yung pusa ko, yung laging nagre-refill yung muta. As in, kahit anong tanggal namin, nagre-refill. Hi, beauty! Somebody wants to see you. Will you let me get you? I don't think so. Parang feeling ko kakalmutin ako pag kinuha ko siya. Never mind, pangit din naman siya. Cute siya na pangit, I don't understand. It's okay, Chill is still cute. He's cute and ugly at the same time. I don't understand how he does it. You know, I just realized people here on TikTok, or I don't know, maybe people in general, pero lagi ang mga comment, people keep asking about the past. Past people, past things na nangyari sa buhay ko. It's always about the past, 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 past. Why not the present? Ay, wag, kinulit ang Christmas tree. Why do people not you wanna move on? lahat ng mga tinatanong nyo, kamusta kayo ni ganto? Bakit ganto kayo ni ganto? Blah, blah, blah. Kami, mga naka-move on na. Kami ay nasa 2025 na. So, dapat tayong lahat din, 2025. Let's enjoy the new year. New year, new us. Wag na tayo maglinger sa past. Let's let the past be. Workout ka bukas. Sino nagtanong? Hey, Coach Mau! Yes, workout ako bukas. 3 p.m. Excited na ako mag-gym. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-gym. Wala na yung muscle ko. Wala na. Lumiit na. Yes, Coach. Mag-workout me bukas. 3 p.m. Anong blush on ang gamit? Filter. Pero hindi ko rin alam. Naka-makeup pa ako. Pero may filter din kasi, oh. Ayan, ah. Naka-filter ako. Kasi ang cute pa rin mga filter dito. At the end. And it's getting sticky. Okay, actually, lilipat din ako ng IG. Pero sige, I'll show you something I got. Not this. I got Crybabies. Oh wait, that's not a Crybaby. Oh my god, we got, oh my god. Marunong ka po magbisaya. I wish. No, I don't. But I wish. I really wish. Patingin ng gift sa'yo ni KD. It's called the Dyson Airstraight. It's color pink. There. You can just search it. It's the Sakura version. Pangalanan mo puppy ko. Okay, how does your puppy look? What color is your puppy? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? What is your puppy? What breed is your puppy? I'm sure your puppy's cute. Ilang taon ka na, te? I'm 24. Ayun! I'll show you my Crybabies. I actually really like Crybabies. I'm kind of moving on from Labubu to Crybaby. Crybaby yung nasa bag ko, the brown one. I really like it. So, hold on. Actually, I got sila Jazz, Labubus. Kasi paglabas nila ng PBB, I told them, do you guys know what Labubu is? Naabutan niyo ba ang Labubu? Or, I think, nung hype kasi nasa loob sila. So, obviously, wala silang idea about Labubu, diba? So, sabi ko, okay, I get you all Labubu. Oh, here's a Crybaby. Crybaby number 1. I don't know why she's crying. But her face is like... I don't get it. How much po yan? I don't know eh. This was a gift from Pop Mart. I don't really know how much Crybaby is. Tips about losing weight. Maybe more of like a reminder that your best looks different every day. So for example, my workout today is really good. Like, I gave it my all. I was able to do so many reps. I was able to lift. I was able to exceed my last rep, whatever. And tomorrow, bigla my workout was alright. I wasn't able to do as much. I was a bit tired, but I still gave it my all. So, and that's still good. That's still fine. That was my best, and it doesn't look the same every day. Okay, lipat na tayo ng IG. If you wanna follow, please follow. But yes, I am going to lipat on IG. I'll show you my other crybabies. I don't really know what this is. I haven't opened it, but yes, let's check it out. Alright, thank you so much to everyone who watched here sa TikTok, on TikTok. I'm gonna go live on IG. Sana may filter doon kasi medyo haggard na ako. Bye! Thank you. Also, thank you pala sa mga nag-send ng gifts kanina. Thank you so much. See ya. I go to Instagram.